Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to add a Buy Now button on your Shopify product page. This is a fantastic way to streamline the checkout process and make it easier for customers to purchase directly from your site. Let's jump right in. First, open your browser and head over to shopify.com. Once you're there, log into your account using your credentials. This will take you to your Shopify admin dashboard where you'll manage all aspects of your store. Once you're on the home page, look to the left side of your screen and click on Settings. This is where you can access various configuration options for your store. The Settings menu is your control center for customizing how your shop operates. Now on the left side of the Settings page, click on Apps and then click on Shopify App Store. This will open up the App Marketplace where you can find tools and integrations to enhance your store's functionality. In the App Store, use the search bar to type in Buy Button. From the results, click on Buy Button channel. This app is specifically designed to help you create customizable buy buttons that you can embed anywhere on your site. Go ahead and click Install. Shopify will take a moment to add this app to your account, so just wait for the installation to complete. Once it's installed, you'll see an option to create a buy button. Click on Create a Buy Button to begin setting up your custom button. You'll now be presented with two options, Product Buy Button or Collection Buy Button. For this example, let's click on Product Buy Button. This allows you to create a button for a specific product rather than an entire collection. Next, you'll need to select a product from your inventory, browse through your products, and once you've found the one you want, click Select. This links the button directly to that particular product. On the left side of the screen, you'll see layout style options. Here you can choose between Basic, Classic, or Full View. Pick the style that best matches your site's design and the level of product detail you want to display. Below that, under Action, when people click, make sure to set it to Direct to Checkout. This is crucial because it means when customers click your button, they'll skip the cart and go straight to the checkout page, speeding up the buying process significantly. You can also adjust the button style and layout if needed. Play around with colors, text, and sizing to make sure the button fits seamlessly with your branding. Take your time here to get it looking just right. Once you're done customizing, click Next at the bottom of the page. You'll then see a screen with your button's embed code. Click Copy Code to save this HTML snippet to your clipboard. This code is what you'll use to place the button on your page. Now go back to your Shopify admin page and on the left side, click on Online Store. This section controls all the public-facing content of your shop. Under Online Store, click on Pages. This is where you manage all the static pages on your site. On the upper right corner, click Add Page to create a new page where your buy button will live. Give your page a name, something like Product Page, so you can easily identify it later. Then in the Content field, look for the HTML icon, which usually looks like angle brackets or says Show HTML. Click on it to switch to HTML editing mode. Paste the HTML code you copied earlier into this Content field. This embeds the buy button directly into your page, making it functional and visible to customers. On the right side of the page editor, under Visibility, make sure it's set to Visible. This ensures that customers can actually see and access this page when they visit your site. Finally, click the Save button at the bottom of the page. Shopify will save all your changes and the page will now be live with your new buy button. Now to make sure everything looks good, click Preview at the top of the page. This opens a new window showing you exactly how your page will appear to customers. Check that the button displays correctly and functions as expected. And there you have it, you've successfully added a Buy Now button to your Shopify product page. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.